Welcome back to Scrappy's Garage. I'm airing up the tire. On the 20 it says 35 psi max, so I'm gonna air it to like 28, and it's still running. Running pretty good. Check the temp. Temp gauge is good. I don't really trust that tire. Hey, Kia. I don't even know how the transmission shifts. Never tried it. I haven't even been able to drive this truck since I bought it. So, who knows how much work I need to do to it. But I'm gonna get it all done. I'm gonna have to get this dent out the door through somewhere. Probably take this off. I think that's good for now. It's an old tire. So yeah. Had to put that in there. I wish I had a phone holder. I gotta get mine out of my RV. So let's check this. Doing pretty good. You know, sometimes I hear a tap sound or something when I hit the gas. I'll let you guys hear it if you can hear it.